Today, I'm showing you how to appeal age restriction on TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone. You'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open Menu. Tap the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Access Settings. Tap Settings and Privacy from the menu. Step 5. Report a problem. Scroll down to the Support and About section and tap Help Center. Step 6. Choose Other. Scroll down and tap Other at the end of the list. Step 7. Start Chat. You now should be able to chat with TikTok support. Step 8. Send your appeal. In the text box, type your message explaining your age restriction issue. For example, I need help appealing my age restriction. My account was restricted, but I am, your actual age, years old. Please review my account. Step 9. Submit request. Tap the Send button. Wait for TikTok support to respond. They typically reply very soon. Important tips. Be honest about your age. Provide accurate information. TikTok requires users to be at least 13 years old. Have identification ready if requested. Check your email for responses from TikTok. And that's it. You've successfully submitted an appeal for age restriction on TikTok. Wait for their response to resolve the issue.